In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily turn on or off notifications from Instagram application. On an iPhone, be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Actually, there are two different places where we can configure notifications from Instagram app. The first place is our iPhone and settings. The second one is notifications directly in the Instagram application. Let's get started with the settings. So, first off, you need to head over to settings. And then I recommend you to swipe down to bring up the search. And I will just search for Instagram here. That's how we can easily find the Instagram. And once we get in here, we need to tap at notifications. First things first, start from here. We can see this toggle that allows us to turn on or off notifications for the Instagram app. If you would like, let's say, completely turning off all that notifications from Instagram, then we just need to tap right here. However, we can easily also kind of figure it a bit. If it is enabled, let's say, we can activate or deactivate time-sensitive notifications here. Also, we can choose where exactly we would like to see notifications from Instagram app. We can activate or deactivate lock screen notifications. Notifications add to that notification center, and also banners just by selecting each of these items. Also here we can choose banner style. Now it is set to temporary. We can easily switch it to per system just like that. Also here we can activate or deactivate notification sounds. And we can easily turn on or off badges here. Badges are that red dots at that app icon. That indicates that we have some unread conversation on that specific application. That's where we can turn it on or off. However, guys, if you would like to kind of Instagram notifications more specifically, then you need to double right to here. Go to Instagram app notification settings. As you can see here, now we are on the Instagram application. And here we got a bunch of different options. How we can configure Instagram app notifications. First off, we can pause all of them by toggling on that signature. And the difference here when we tap right there, we can select the period of time on which our notifications will be paused. So I can, let's say here, select 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes has passed, this feature will automatically turn off. Just like that here. We can also activate quiet mode. And also here we can configure which events we would like to get notifications about. Let's say I don't want to get notifications about birthday, so I can get into birthdays here. It is set to on now. However, we can easily switch it to off to stop getting notifications about someone very nice on their Instagram app. Basically, that's guys, it. Save this video. Don't forget to hit the like button.